The Bitcoin price has now entered here, this support area. So, and now the question is, will the support actually hold, or will we break through it and see here much lower levels for the Bitcoin price? And what are the levels to watch here? That is something that I want to talk about with you guys. So definitely stick around, like this video, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so that you'll never miss out on these important updates. So, and now let's get directly into the content, guys. So here, what we see here on the 1 hourly chart was that we had here that symmetrical triangle, so that faked out here with a breakout into this resistance area, and from there got heavily rejected, went here all the way down into the support area, got the bounce from there, a small one, a dead cat bounce, and now we're again here in the higher area of this support zone. And now the question is, will this actually hold, or will we break here lower? So the first problem that I see with the Bitcoin price, before we talk about potential higher targets here, so is, even though if the Bitcoin price would break out here out of this potential falling wedge here to the upside, this breakout target would be just at the top of the resistance level, and we could see a potential rejection from there, come back and go again here sideways, and then maybe to the support, and then potentially up. So, but I don't see here a breakout and then directly through this resistance area. So, but there's another problem. We have another resistance around that level here, around $20,000. So that is now also a psychological level that we have to break to get here into any higher prices. So we can see that already here Bitcoin is struggling in the last couple of hours to get over $20,000, and also here we were struggling to get over $20,000. So that is right now a resistance area for Bitcoin that we have to overcome to stay above here before we can break then the resistance of 20,400 and see here potential higher price targets, which would be then the imminent next one would be around $21,100. So, and that is right now unfortunately not the case. So, and when we're talking here for downside targets, I have shown that the other day one is at $19,200 and we have another one at 18,600-ish. So that are the next support levels for the Bitcoin price if we lose this green support zone. So when we have, however, a look here on the higher time frames and we're looking on the daily here, we can also definitely see something interesting developing, and that is that the EMA ribbon is now completely unfolding and widening up here to the downside, which means more downwards pressure is definitely coming into the market, which could be then also a reason for an acceleration all the way down to $19,200, $18,600 approximately. So, and we had here this smaller bear flag. So, and the target is already hit. So, and here another bigger bear flag. So in there you see the target is 17,000. Oh no, sorry. So here 18,777. We did not hit this yet. So, but we have to be prepared for that too here. There's not much to say. It's also the weekend, so the price action is really slow. There's not much moving here right now. So, but when we go then here to the Brave New Coin chart and we look here on the logarithmic growth curve for Bitcoin, then I'm still super bullish in the long run, because we are still here in this circuit area. So where when we come to the bottom of this upwards curved line, so every time when we came in such an area, the Bitcoin price was not staying long in there when we came to the bottom of this channel, you can also say. So, and once we are out of this circled area, the Bitcoin price started to rally again. So, and one indication when this is going to happen again is when the RSI here is crossing over 37%. So 37%, and I just saw somebody else saying also 50%, so which would be more or less here. Yes. So once we're above 37% and are going in the direction of 50%, we are good. And once above 50%, it's full-fledged bull market, guys. So that is what I'm watching here right now. So, but like I said in the last video, this can still take 2 to 3 weeks before we see this actually happening. I might have to adjust this here a little bit, and also here a little bit more to this side. So, but you can already see we're only a couple of weeks away from the next ignition point for the next uptrend. I don't want to sell bull market because macroeconomic factors could stop us from seeing a bull market for quite a while, but the next uptrend for Bitcoin, that is something that we can talk about. And guys, don't forget, if you want to trade in this volatile market, you still get $4,400 if you go with that specific link here to BYBIT and sign up and deposit some money there to claim your bonus. Or you go to BitGet and there you still get $8,000 in free bonus, $8,000 and 15% discount on the fees. Only with my specific link, guys, so definitely take advantage of that. Guys, that's it already for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, let me know in the comments below what you think is happening in the immediate short term. Are we going to 19,200, 18,600 before we go higher, or do we go up and then retrace a little bit lower? Let me know in the comments below. And other than that, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you again tomorrow.